Dave Rockoff from Armageddon here, and today I'm showing you our production LS twin manifolds installed to an engine. This is actually going to be hitting the engine dyno tomorrow, and we've got a couple of sets heading out to a few of the pre-order customers to get some more beta feedback on how this system works. Right here we have a mildly built 5.3 liter LS engine. It's got forged pistons, rods, and crankshaft in it, and this will be available on our website, goturbo.net. Also, these cylinder heads from Titan Racing engines, it's just a little bit larger on the ports as cast and makes a little bit more power, and it's got a great turbo camshaft in it that's going to support these turbos really well. If you look at some of our old videos of the development of these, the last time we were on the dyno with the LS twin manifolds, we made over 1,200 horsepower, but couldn't keep the boost pipe on because the throttle body was smooth. We went ahead and took a lathe to it and got a nice ridge on it. We think that's going to hold just fine now. And we're looking for these guys to make more than 1,250 horsepower when we get it testing in the morning. Also on this engine, you can see the carbon fiber valve covers that I showed in a previous video as well. They're stock fit and even include the factory oil cap, so any of your oil caps will fit, or specifically why we included that was if you have a breather on your oil fill, it'll still fit. On the turbocharger side, we've got our 68mm prototypes that we're developing right now. We expect these to make more than 1,500 horsepower on these LS engine combinations when turned all the way up. That's gonna be exciting to see. It is a dual ball bearing unit, and as you can tell, it's a billet compressor wheel. 45mm wastegates as standard on this, and the balancer that you see on here, we needed something to degree the cam in. We were running the stock balancer before, but the cam that we put into it, we wanted to get installed to the proper degree, and we needed a little bit better timing pointer so we could check it with the ignition timing after we got the cam installed and degreed up. So we'll tell you all about that in a future video. But here it is, they're running. The production manifolds are starting to ship, and you can follow our social media pages and goturbo.net to get the pre-orders. They're just about done with the pre-orders. We're just about out of the first production run of pre-orders, and then they'll just be in normal stock after that. I'm Dave Rockoff from Armageddon Turbo Systems, and we'll see you later.